Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know about a mind-blowing AI tool that will help you to write code faster. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for that, search Codeium, click on very first extension, click on install. Here you can see the icon of Codeium extension, click on that, click on login. So for using it, firstly you have to log in. So click on login, click on allow. Here I will sign up. So for signing up, I will search for a temporary mail. Type the password. I will escape for now. Click on load. Now you can use the features of this extension or this AI tool. So let's check, is it working or not. A card with an image inside a circle. Control plus enter. Now here you can see it has provided the code. It also provided the HTML code. Now I will paste it here in this HTML code in my HTML file. Now let's try another way. So for that I will write a comment. For that just simply hit Ctrl+/ and type a comment. Footer with a pretty good transparent look. Okay, hit Ctrl+enter. Now you have to simply press tab button and it will suggest all the code. Just simply press tab button. Guys, this tool is compatible with most of the programming languages, so use it as per your requirement. Here you can see it is also suggesting the suggestions in HTML code also. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for such amazing useful tips and tricks and useful content and interesting content. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.